Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have a Google account and business details. Now start the Google Ads Manager sign-up. Go to Ads Manager and choose Create Account, then pick Manager Account. Enter your business name, primary email, and billing country. This sets tax and currency defaults, so make sure they're correct. Once done, choose whether you'll manage multiple client accounts or a single brand. This first choice affects linking and access later, so think about scale and team roles before continuing. Now you configure permissions and link accounts. You'll add users and assign admin or standard roles so each person has the right access. Give fewer admins to reduce risk. Next, link existing Google Ads accounts using their 10-digit customer ID or send link requests to clients. Acceptances finalize connections. Configure billing. Pick centralized billing if you want consolidated invoices or client-level billing for separate payments. Make sure your payment methods and tax settings are accurate to avoid interrupted campaigns. Finish by reviewing the entire manager setup: hierarchy, linked accounts, user access, and billing. You should enable two-step verification for all admins and audit roles monthly to keep security tight. If something goes wrong, check common issues first. Confirm customer ID match, ensure clients accepted link requests, and resolve any billing holds or tax mismatches. If a link fails, resend the invite and ask the client to accept while signed into the correct Google account. Small mismatches are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.